Alright class, we're going to take what we know about triangles and trigonometry and mix it together with what we know about area of a rectangle and come up with a way to calculate the area for triangles. And in this example here, we've got this triangle and we know its base and we know its height, and we can calculate the area of the rectangle that the triangle is inscribed within. And we can see that this area up here is equal to this area here, because that's just a reflection of this right triangle over here. So this area matches this area, and this is a reflection of this right triangle over here. So this area matches this area, and the whole area of the rectangle would be base times height, right? Because this height just extends out here. So base times height. So if I want just the area of the triangle, I just have to take half off, because both of these sides are equal, and I can write that I want to call it K. So the area for the triangle is equal to 1/2 the base times the height. All right, and now we're going to come over here and look at a triangle where we know the side length A and the side length B and the angle within. So we would call this side angle side, is what we know about this. And to calculate the area, we're going to take the fact that the sine of our angle cap C is equal to the opposite over the hypotenuse. So the sine of C equals H is what's on the opposite side, and the hypotenuse is what we call A. All right, so now let's solve this for H. So if I take an A, multiply both sides by A, and I've got H by itself, and I know that H is equal to A times the sine of C. Okay, now to put this only in terms of the side angle side information that we don't know H, but we know that it's equal to A times the sine of C. So we'll take and we'll put A sine of C in place of H, and then the B we already knew, and we can multiply it by 1/2. So our area for a triangle such as this with the side angle side known is equal to 1/2 the base times A sine C. And we'll just clean that up a little bit, and we'll just say, okay, so for a triangle where I know a side included angle and the other side, I can calculate an area, okay, to be 1/2 of AB and sine of capital C. Okay.